Back in the 13th century, stuffed eggs first became popular in Andalusia, which is now Spain, and then they spread by the 15th century to most of Europe. Fast forward a few centuries and stuffed or deviled eggs are still wildly popular today, yet one basic hard cooking egg problem remains, and that is peeling them. And today, Elle's gonna solve that problem once and for all.
Exactly.
Nice.
Now, in the test kitchen, we've developed quite a few surefire ways to achieve the perfect hard-cooked eggs, but we never took peeling into account until now.
All right.
Yeah. Okay, so we found that the surefire way to go is just steaming. And to do that, we have 1 inch of water at a rolling boil in a medium saucepan.
And 1 inch of water is important because it will maintain the proper heat throughout the cooking time.
That's right. So we have here a steamer basket. This basket is going to keep the eggs from touching the water and decreasing the temperature of the water. That means they're going to cook evenly.
And it makes them easy to get in and out of the pot all at the same time.
Yep. Okay, so now that we have our eggs in, I'm just going to put a lid on it, reduce the heat to medium-low, and set my timer for 13 minutes. Okay, so it's been 13 minutes. Let's get these eggs off of the fire and into an ice bath. And the ice bath is equal parts water and ice until it covers the egg.
Okay.
And this is gonna stop the cooking process. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. The eggs have been in the ice bath and it has stopped the cooking process. So that means we're ready to peel the eggs.
Okay.
The lid is on tightly and I'm just gonna give these eggs a shake and use this ice to help us crack the shells.
You're not holding back. You are shaking the heck out of that thing.
Well, that's how you get it done. I like to just give it a little turn, you know. Okay, so after giving these eggs a really good shake, they are ready to peel.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
The peel's already starting to come off.
All the hard work is done. Will you help me out?
Of course.
Okay,
Here,
great.
I'm gonna grab this guy.
All right.
Oh, look at that.
So much easier.
Oh, the peel just slides right off.
It's almost one motion. Look at that.
Oh.
So we were able to achieve this by making sure that the cooking temp was steady.
That's right, they're easy to peel because we gave those eggs a hot cooking start, which means the egg whites cook instantly and pull away from that sticky membrane, which is why they're often hard to peel. For example, I have here a bad egg. Now this egg was started in cold water. We brought that water to a boil, which is a common method. But you can see this is not going to be as easy to peel, even if I'm delicate. That membrane is sticking to the egg white, and that's how you get divots, and that's how it can take a long time to peel an egg. And then your deviled eggs don't look so pretty, and it's a little aggravating to sit here and peel a whole bunch of these. Look at that, 6 perfectly cooked hard-boiled eggs,
Oh, yeah.
not one divot in that white.
Now it's time for the fun part.
All right.
The deviling of the eggs. Take a paring knife, and you're gonna cut it along the side, but after you cut each one, you have to make sure to clean your knife, okay? We don't want any egg drag.
Take a look at this hard-boiled egg. You can see it's perfectly cooked. That yolk is the same color and texture from edge to edge. There's no ring of green, which is the sign of an overcooked yolk. And look at that yolk, just pops right out. The white's on the platter.
Yep. And we just keep repeating this step until all the eggs are done. Okay, so we're getting ready to devil these perfect yolks. So I'm just gonna get all the lumps out, which is not hard because these are perfectly cooked eggs. It actually
Makes it easier.
quite easy, yeah. All right, that looks good. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of mayo into the yolk to create a nice uniform paste. All right, that looks really good. So I'm gonna add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. This is a staple in every deviled egg. It's time to add the rest of our ingredients, and I'm making your favorite.
Curried?
Yes,
I
yes.
love curried deviled eggs. It is the best balance of flavor. The yolk with the mayonnaise and that little bit of curry.
But at the end of the day, the world is your oyster, and you can really do any type of deviled egg
That's
you
right.
like.
And you can find more flavor variations for deviled eggs on our website.
Okay, this is 1 tablespoon of fresh minced parsley, 1½ teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and a pinch of cayenne. I'm just gonna mix this together. All right, I'm gonna get this into a piping bag. I'm using a star tip.
Well, having a star tip is pretty easy to do, especially if you have these disposable piping bags. If you don't have one, of course, you can use a zipper lock bag, squeeze it into the corner, and just snip off the corner and use that.
Okay, so now that I have the filling down to the end of the piping bag, I've kind of twisted the top, which applies a little bit of pressure. When you hold it over the egg, you just squeeze a little.
Squeeze from the top.
That's right.
Elle, these eggs are gorgeous. They look good enough to eat.
Well, that's the plan.
Good.
We're gonna finish them off with a beautiful garnish of
Oh,
parsley.
that's always nice.
Okay, I'm gonna give you 2 eggs.
Oh, thank you. Ah, that is
right.
beautiful. Look at that, absolutely smooth white.
Oh man.
The filling is so smooth. There are no yolky bits in there at all. And the curried flavor is spot on. Little bit of lemon juice, that little bit of Dijon helping to bring it out.
Yeah.
These are perfection, Elle. Well done.
Thank you.
So if you want to make these heavenly deviled eggs, steam 6 large eggs for exactly 13 minutes, then submerge in ice water before removing the shells. For the filling, mash the yolks with mayonnaise until smooth, then stir in the seasonings and pipe it into the whites. So there you have it, from America's Test Kitchen to your kitchen, a great new recipe for curry deviled eggs. Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.